get attracted to futures and options trading so much more nowadays?
Gambling instinct, nothing more. When obviously you want to make quick money, you can't find a better place, but unfortunately people don't realize that is the best place to lose money also. That's where if you are not disciplined, you will end up losing your entire money. You invest in futures, every possibility you will be completely bankrupt. So never get into it without any limits first. You want to burn your hands, it's fine, but keep a limit so that your losses are limited. Otherwise, I have seen so many families getting affected because the husband was trading in derivatives and the entire assets have got wiped out. Entire assets, trust me. A good educated guy who is working, drawing a reasonable sum, still lost everything because he got into the futures contracts. Entire money gets wiped off in no time. So don't do that.